Make sure your fill and stroke are set to default. You're going to find the T icon, which is the type tool. You're going to click. It will automatically put text in there. You're going to change the text to your name. If you highlight the text by double clicking over here in the Properties panel or down here, you can choose a new font, find a font that you like, and make it so that the font size is much bigger. Click on the selection tool so you have your name drawn like that. Next, you're going to duplicate this by holding the Alt key or Option key and dragging it. This will duplicate it. With it selected, you're going to go up to Effect, and you're going to go down to where it says Warp, and you can choose Arc. Here you can see there's a whole bunch of different ways you can change how your text looks. Click OK. You can move this around. Now we are going to click and drag a box. This time we type your name. And I can drag this box and it moves the letters around. That's when I click and I drag a box. If I am on the type tool and I don't drag a box, like I did in the first one, I can click and I can rotate this when my cursor turns into an arrow. I can rotate the whole name. Here you can see when I rotate, it changes the box and how the text looks. Next, I want to grab a tool that draws a line. For example, the brush tool. I've drawn this line or the path. I go to my type tool. I choose type on path. I click on this and I type your name again.